Hello everyone, we will be discussing about the individual differences. So our objective is to understand how individual differences affects education and differentiate the issues of development and explain the factors influencing differences. So individual differences. Each of us has our own informal way of looking at our own and others people's development. These paradigms of human development, while obviously lacking in scholastic figure, provide us with a conceptual framework for understanding ourselves and others. So there are three issues of human development. The first one is nature versus nurture. The second one is continuity versus discontinuity. The third one is stability versus change. So nature refers to all of the genes and hereditary factors that influence who we are, from our physical appearance to our personality characteristics. So nature is all about those characteristics that are inherited. There are characteristics we get from genes, which are inherited from parents, and in general, people tend to interpret this kind of characteristics as fixed characteristics. While nurture refers to all the environmental variables that impact who we are, including our early childhood experiences, how we were raised, our social relationships, and our surrounding culture. So, nurture basically, after we get the genetic inheritance, it's all about the stuff that happens from point to the stuff that's going around us. We call that environmental stuff. The second one is continuity versus discontinuity. Continuity involves gradual or cumulative change, while the discontinuity says that development occurs in a series of distinct changes. So continuity example of this is when a child learn how to crawl and then stand and then to walk. They are gradually learning how to walk. And while the discontinuity believes that people pass through stages of life that are qualitatively different from each other. For example, children go from only being able to think in very literal terms to being able to think abstractly. The third one is stability versus change. Stability implies personality traits present during infancy endured throughout the lifespan, while the changed personalities are modified by interaction with family, experiences at school, and acculturation. So example of this could be seen in a child that is shy in his or her youth, but as an adult they are not shy at all. Developmental psychologists could study this and attribute the reason for the change in personality to either having been trained to not be shy or assuming that the person is still naturally shy. He or sh- he or she has just learned how to mask the personality in some way.